Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about how can you insert the frame in HTML. Okay, so basically we have to use the frame tag, means frame set tag, for dividing our browser window. Okay, so we can divide the browser into in horizontally or in vertically depending our choice. Okay, so for this you have to see my full video, and please, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel for the latest update.
So see here, these are the main points of frame in HTML. Okay, before we going to start our practical part, we should know these points. Okay, so our first point is HTML document is called frame. Okay, so each HTML document is called as frame. So why it is called as frame? When I will show you the practical part, then only you can understand why it is called as frame. Okay, next is it can display one or more than one HTML document. So a frame can display one or more than one HTML document. So frame set tag is used to divide the browser window. So in frame, the tag is used frame set tag, okay, which is used to divide the browser window. Okay, so it can divide the window as column wise or in row wise, means vertically it can divide the windows or horizontally. Next is no body tag is required for this. Okay, when I use the frame set tag, then no body tag is used, because body tag is used for displaying the content, but we have to use the frame which can divide our browser window, and within this we have to use our HTML document. So for this no body tag is used. Okay, next is, see here, frame set rows and frame set columns. So already I have told you it can divide the window is row wise or in column wise. Row wise or column wise. Say this is a window, so it can divide the window row wise, okay, or it can divide the window column wise. Okay, so if I use the row wise window division, then we have to use frame set rows. Okay, we have to use the attribute here rows when the window is divided into the when the frame set window is divided into the rows and columns, we have to use the attribute. Okay, for rows, for dividing the rows, we have to use the rows attribute. For columns, we have to use the column attributes, and we have to assume that the whole window is in 100%. Okay, so if I divide the rows, so you have to use like this rows. Say for example we divide like this. Okay, then here we have to use within inverted comma. First is star percent. Star percent means we have to give here the proper percentage. For example 20%, because it is small, 20%. Then comma, the remaining is 80%, so you have to give here 80%. Okay, so if I divided the column like this, so here see the division is almost same. Okay, so here we have to use this one, frame set columns, then star percent comma again star percent. Star means we have to use here the proper percentage. So for example we have to use 50% and the rest one is 50%. So in case of star we have to use 50% and again 50%. Okay, next is frame src. So here this is our browser window, and say we have to divide it in column, two column. Okay, so this is a blank column, so here we have to use some coding. So in this particular part we have to use our HTML document. Okay, so we have to use our HTML code here, means HTML file here. So say this part is one part and this is another part. So in this part we have to use frame src equal to, you have to give the proper HTML document which is already created. Okay, for example a.html. Okay, when I use this a.html, this will be displayed in first one, and for the next one say b.html, and it will be go to the second portion. Okay, and one more thing, we can also divide the browser in more than two types. Okay, for example say 20%, 30%, and rest one is 50%. So there we have to use the 3 HTML document, because for the first part 1 HTML document, second part next second HTML document, and the third part is third HTML document. That's why each HTML document is called as frame, where in a frame we have to use our HTML document. Okay, and so it can display more than one HTML document. Okay, clear? So now I am going to the practical part. So let's start for the practical part. So see here, this is my basic HTML tags. Okay, so my document is frame.html, and I have to use here our tags for frames. Okay, so here I have already given frame as my title name. Okay, and now for frame we no need to use any body tag. Okay, simply we have to use our frame tag. So for this we have to use frame set. Okay, we have to use frame set tag for frame. Okay, so after frame set we have to use our attribute. If you want to divide the window as a row wise, then you have to use the rows. If you want to divide the column wise, then you have to use columns. Okay, but now I want as a column wise, so I have to use columns, means cols, then equal to, within double inverted comma I have to row the ratios. Okay, means our division percentage. Okay, so say for example my division percentage is say 20% or say 30%, and another one is rest one is 70%. Okay, and then we have to close it. Okay, so see here, within frame set, see this is my frame set tag. We have to divide the frame set as 30%, 70%, total 100%. So within this we have to give our HTML document. Okay, so for giving our HTML document, I have already told you, we have to use our frame tag, then src, you have to use our source, then equal to, then within double inverted comma we have to use our which HTML document. Say for example I am using here list, means in 30% window, means in 30% division, list.html will be displayed. Okay, see here, this is our first percentage, and for the second one we have to use again frame, here src equal, within double inverted comma we have to give our second one. Say for example my second one is say link. Okay, after this, see here, this is our frame. Okay, and we divide the frame into two percentages, one is 30%, one is 70%. So that in 30% part we have to use this HTML, list.html, and in 70% part we have to use this HTML, link.html. Okay, if I divide it into the 3 part, then we have to use 3 HTML document. Clear? Now we have to save it. Okay, now I am going to the browser. Okay, so my document is frame, this one. Then go to the browser. See here, my browser is divided into 2 parts. Okay, one part is here the list part, where I have already given you this demo how to use the list part, and the second one is the welcome to JNP World. This is my second part. Okay, so like this you can divide the part in your window in different parts. So say for example here 70%, 30%. In case of 70%, 30%, I am giving this 30%, 50%. Okay, and the last part is remaining 30 plus 50 is 80, and the remaining is 20%. Okay, so 3 part has created. So within this 3 part I have to use another frame, and there I have to use another HTML document. Frame src, then equal, within double inverted comma, say my next image back. Okay, this is my next one. So after this I have to close it. So now I have used 3 frames because 3 part is there, that's why 3 frame, 1 frame, 2 frame and 3 frame. Okay, now I am going to the browser window. Before going to the browser window, I have to save it, and then going to the browser window. See here, 3 frame has created, 1, 2 and this one is 3. So like this you can also divide, you can use the nested frame. Okay, so if you like my video, like the video, subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. Okay, and in my following video series I am going to discuss about nested frame and how to design a normal web page, all these things. So keep watching my channel. Thank you all.